What's up guys, Presley Yong here, back for another video, and today we're gonna do an unboxing and review on this Apple's earphones headphones plug. Now the last video I actually talked about earphones headphone plug to Lightning, but this time we're gonna unbox on this one and we review it, whether should you buy it in 2021. As you can see in the box, you can see earphones with 3.5 mm plug and this. So if you own a device that still has a headphone jack, of course you can get it. If you're those people who are getting iPhone, if you're those people who own iPhone 7, iPhone 8 and above, like 10 until 12 Pro Max, which is now videoing on, you need to get this dongle in order to access this. However, you iPhone 7, 8 and 10, this actually included in the box, but 10s Apple just remove it. So this one is the only thing if you want to use this thing. If not, then you should use this one, which is another one. It's called EarPods Lightning in connector. This one is connected to anything iPhone, but the reason I'm doing this video because this one can use on any devices that still has a headphone jack. So let's talk about what it has. So everything it got here, I bought it just now. If you want to talk about in Malaysia, this is 99 ringgit in Malaysia ringgit. This same price, both are same price, doesn't matter which you choose, same price. However, if you want to get a dongle, this dongle costs 55 ringgit. So this one plus this one equals 150, which that's why most people go this. But if you're the person that has headphone jack and you prefer use headphone jack, like your computer has a headphone jack, this one is the only one, and get the extra dongle for your iPhone. Now I actually already unboxed it because I want to check whether the quality is correct. So this is what it looks like. So it's exactly the same thing, except this part, instead of using the headphone jack, it's using the Lightning cable. Now I can't connect anything because as I'm actually video on my 12 Pro Max, so I unfortunately unable to connect dongle and connect to it. But let's talk about what's inside in this box. Now when you open this box, actually literally the box just like this, and you have the earphones like the pack like this. If you remember back in iPhone 7, iPhone 10, this is actually where it came from when when Apple introduced this Lightning. And of course you have instruction menus inside, which is okay. I don't know what this is. Apple say they want to go green, but this doesn't make any sense. This is not going green. I don't like how Apple promote this marketing. This marketing is weird. Now just give me a sec and put back this thing. Let me just there we go. So we put it back. Now I not only bought the box, this one and this one has the same in design. The only thing is different is that just the icon in front is completely different. The design of this is completely different. Now to use this thing, it's very simple. You just plug in any device that has a headphone jack. I can show it to you using my 2017 iPad Pro. It's a very good device and still recommended for you guys to use it since it has A10 Fusion chip and very high efficient. And certain games we got high demand, but for the iPads you see there's headphone jack right here. If I actually angle it, you can see there's headphone jack right here. So when I just plug it in, you can hear it a little bit. Just focus it. Let's focus it. Okay, and you can hear it a little bit crunch. Yeah, you can hear this sound. That means it's plugged in. Now the older one and actually doesn't. I have the older this one as well, but it has the problem when it's connecting, and then the issue will keep going on. So this is how I use it. If you want to use it, just attach the dongle and then you can connect the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now why do I need to do this video? Which means that's a very, now we're only at the 4-minute mark, and then I talk a lot of unboxing. Now I talk about the review. Why is this worth it? Now the answer is simple. This one actually is high quality, made by Apple. I actually use this and connect. I just unboxed and I tried. This earphones is very good. Not only that, the Lightning one also produced the same great music quality. The reason why I buy this because is that I know I have wireless, I have the AirPods, but playing like computer, like those games, I prefer using wire, because certain times when the latency or the wireless don't know what's happened. It's like if you play the game called Valorant, sometimes when you cannot hit the gunshot. And actually in Valorant and in patch 2.0, they actually introduced a function that you can listen from left to right, and because the old one cannot reproduce that thing, so I buy a new one, and since it works, I can hear the person's movement, whether it came from the left or came from the right. So this is one good thing about it. Now, why should you buy this? Now the reason is that it's multi-universal, which means that you can connect to any device you can use that has a headphone jack. And if you are an iPhone, you just use a dongle. If you're on Android, just use a dongle to USB Type C. And this one, because everyone who probably on Android will have a mid-range device that has a headphone jack in it, they can just take it and they just use it anytime they want, because this is a high quality earphones. And another company can compete is Samsung's AKG, but the design of it actually is a flaw, as it's able to break it easily, the AKG earphone. That's why Samsung's no longer adding to it, they just change a new design. Right, this one is a better choice, and I should recommend everyone to buy. And I think this one should including in the iPhone box, because it doesn't make any sense if it doesn't have it. And you can see if it doesn't have the box, look what size this, look at this, it's actually no green to Apple. Like it actually took more waste than that, which is very odd. Same goes this, I also don't know why. But overall, you should buy it. If you're not a fan of wireless, this is the only thing you can do it. If you only want your phone just that thing and the one, you can just buy both, and one just for iPad, this one's for the phone. 99 plus 99 is 190. If you want to buy a dongle, 99 plus 55. So yeah, that's about unboxing review. You should buy it because it's a very good device, a good accessory that you should buy it. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. And by the way, this video is actually taken on 16 frames per second with HDR. So your phone support HDR, good luck on watching this.